start, we're going to be doing this beautiful moisturizer from the brand Cloudy, and this was sent to me by them. So the packaging is a little bit up, but the important thing is the moisturizer. So we're gonna be applying this one right now. So let's put it on our face. Must need a hydration. I'm gonna go with this primer that it was I got it from BoxyCharm, and this is the No Problem Prime. It's kind of like a serum and primer at the same time, so I'm just gonna use it as a primer today. As a foundation, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere, I think that's how you say it, Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and this is in the shade Macadamia. And as an applicator, I'm gonna be using this little beauty blender. This is not a beauty blender, a blender, a sponge, that I got it from FabFitFun. So I already got this foundation before, and I just demolished the use of this. I didn't use it anyways. And I got it in Lennon, I think was the color, and it was so dark. I recorded a video, the video Ofra that I uploaded a few weeks ago, and I had that foundation and my skin was so dark. Oh my god, it was embarrassing, but I decided not to cut it off and record it again. But you know what? It's okay. It was just a bad match. But the formula is really good. I really like this formula. So I already used this before, and I really like how light and natural and radiance looks like. I really like this foundation. I don't think it's obviously not full cover. I think it's more like maybe light, very light to light. I'm gonna try to build it up a little bit more, but this is just the way that it looks like basically. As you see, it looks very nice. I like how it looks though. It looks very pretty. I need a little more coverage in this area, but I think in general it looks very nice. And I'm gonna be using this new Marc Jacobs concealer, and it's in the color Light 26, and it's this cute one here. We're gonna be using this today as almost everything in here for the first time, so let's see how it performs. I like the coverage of this concealer. It looks very pretty. I like how it looks. It melts very well with the foundation. It looks very good. I like it. So it is a good formula to go on the foundation if you would like to. I definitely like it. It blends very easy. It looks very pretty. I love it. So now let's move on with another new product. And basically almost everything here is new for me. This is the first time I use it. So now we have here the Hourglass Translucent Powder, and as you see, I haven't even opened it up. So let's open this guy and let's try it. I have a lot of people having issues with this H, and now I can see why. And also the cap for this is not like flat, so it's not easy to use it for this. But the way that this powder goes on is beautiful. I really like it. So now let's move on for bronzer, one of my favorite steps ever. And I have this Too Faced. This is fairly new. In my collection, it's definitely new, but I really like this packaging. It's so beautiful. We're gonna try to blend a little bit both colors, and it only has one shade. This says that it's Satin Dual Tone Bronzer. So it's Too Faced Natural Gloss Bronzer. Let's try this one. And I'm actually going to be using another of these big fluffy brushes. I have two. I need to start putting this one here that is for powders and this one for my bronzers. So let's try this and see how it performs. It's definitely very pretty. I don't know how it's picking up in the camera right now, but it's very soft and glamorous, very sun-kissed. I like it. It looks very nice in my skin. Now let's move on with something very cute that I bought not too long ago, but it's still been a while ago, and I haven't used it even for once. I don't know why. But it's this Natasha Denona Blush Glow, and this is the name, Blush Glow, and it's this duo that it has this nice blush and this highlight. So I'm going to be using the blush first, and then later after I finish my look, I'm going to be using that highlight. So let me look for a brush. I'm gonna be using my MAC 129, I believe it is. The number is going already bad. So let's try the blush, and it's cute. It's cute. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's see. At the end of this video, again, I'm going to be giving you my final thoughts about every single product. It's very pretty, this color. Actually, I like it. So let's put a little bit on my nose. Painterly Pro Longer Paint Pot from MAC. And for eyeshadow, we're only gonna be using one eyeshadow. And it's this by Charlotte Tilbury. And it's this beautiful color. This is the shade Star Gold. So, pretty color. Let me show you how it looks like. Like, this is how it looks in my finger. And let me show you how it looks like. It's so creamy, so beautiful. So I'm gonna be putting this in my eyelids. Let's see, and let's pray for my salt. So I'm gonna grab it with my number 38 Sephora. A little bit should go along. And try to kind of like put it first and then blend it up a little bit. Oh my god, I think I grabbed too much, but it looks beautiful. So hopefully I can blend it a little more. I should grab, hey, actually it's working. It looks scary at the beginning. Very scary, I'm not gonna lie. But it's working out very nice. I'm surprised. It looks very pretty. Wow. I'm only gonna be using this today. It looks amazing. Alright, so I'm wearing a Better Than Sex mascara. No new, no first impression. So let's move on. Now we're going to be using a brand new product from Tasha. And it's been in the market for a little bit, but it's new to me. Everything here is been a little bit on the market, but it's still new to me. This is the Tasha, the Satin Skin Mist, and we're gonna be trying this today, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about it at the end of the day. So, I put a lot, so it better work. So now we're going to be using the Natasha Denona, again, the duo, the Blush and Glow. This thing looks very pretty. It's very pretty, but it's not like boom in your face. No, I am applying more and more. Maybe I'm putting too much. Let me see. It's okay, it's decent. So I'm gonna put in the bridge of my nose, and I'm gonna put it here above my lip a little bit. Oh my god, my Tasha, if you're watching this video, can you please send me a new one? This is no good. I'm gonna be applying this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top Liner. And I don't know why I applied that, because I actually going to be using a very cute product that I just got in PR. And it's this Undone Beauty. This is a cheek and lip product. I'm gonna be adding this to my lips this time. And probably in a future video, I'm gonna be adding to my cheeks. And it looks like this. This is a very pretty color. This is in the color Rosy, and it's this one sent to me by Undone Beauty. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think it was the PR company, but still, this is what I got. And they also sent me this brush. It's a precision brush. So I'm gonna be using this for my lips. Anyway, so let's try this. And let me tell you. Whoa, it's so pigmented. This color is very pretty. I wasn't expecting this to be so pretty. I would take a look at the color before, but it didn't look like this. I didn't apply into my lips. This is the first time I'm applying to my lips. But it's very pretty. This gloss, lip gloss by the brand Dominic, I don't remember her name, Christine Dominic, I think is her name. Christine Dominic, I don't remember her name, and I don't see anything that it has the actual thing here, but this is the collection Lemonade, and this is the color Peach Tea. So let's apply this a little bit as a topper. As of now, I can tell you I'm really enjoying right now this foundation. Is very nice. I kind of like into the bronze. It's kind of like cool idea. I like it. Let me see what other product I used was brand new. Basically everything. As of this moment, I'm enjoying a lot my eyeshadow right now. It looks very pretty. I love it. I love it. I am enjoying this too. I'm enjoying this too big time. The Hourglass setting powder, very cute, very nice, loving it. Hey, the H pain in the butt. I don't like it. Now no existing Tasha. Let's see at the end of the day how it performs. So I'm gonna be coming back in a little bit, maybe in 3-4 hours, and let you know guys what I think about all these products and how they're been performing. Obviously probably the lip products are gonna fade out a little bit, but that's normal because it's kind of like a very fluidy and very juicy colors. It's not like a matte pigmented that is gonna stay in there, but let's see how everything performs for the rest of the day. Another thing, these brushes are new to me, and I really like it how they apply the products, and they're very economic. This is kind of like a dupe for the Marc Jacobs, a little bit maybe, and for a fraction of the price. So check this out. This is the Echo One full powder brush, so good one. So I will be back. They have been 7 hours and I haven't touched up my makeup at all. And as you see, my face, the skin, the makeup actually looks fine, but I am like shiny, like literally shiny. As you see, the actually mascara have moved here a little bit. I don't know if you can see that because it's a little darker. It has moved a little bit. It's kind of like smudged in the bottom. And that's not good. And the setting spray, the Tasha, I don't know if I'm gonna include in the footage, but I probably will. It's just smashing the floor. Gone, $48, gone plus tax, gone already. But I don't think it does mattify my skin enough. The foundation is dewy, so it's kind of like give you a dewy look, but the work of that mist was to keep my makeup step together. Like, I don't know, like my oil is coming through. It doesn't look bad. I don't hate it, but if you are oily skin person, you don't like this look. If you're dry, I have seen some girls that have dry skin, they kind of like love this look. I mean, it looks very shiny, and I don't love it, I don't hate it, but the makeup in general looks very fine. I like how this performs. It looks very good. I have to try it with a very good setting powder, setting spray to make sure that this one doesn't make me look like this at the end of the day. But again, I didn't touch up, and most of us ended touching up maybe after 3 or 4 hours, and I didn't do it. I just wanted to make sure how it looks, but in general it looks very fine. The blush looks beautiful. It's still there. Mwah, amazing. The eyeshadow looks beautiful too. I really like it. The bronzer, everything looks very fine, besides I'm very shiny and my lipstick move a little bit. I had dinner, obviously it's not gonna stay there forever, but it looks very fine. I mean, besides the super shiny face, I don't see any problem, to be honest. And also mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sets is moving around a lot. But besides that, everything is very nice. I really like the concealer, the Marc Jacobs concealer, the bronzer, really like it. This Duo by Natasha Nadona, beautiful. This product for the lips, beautiful, beautiful. This again was sent to me by the brand Undone Beauty. Beautiful color, I love it. This is in the color Rosy, amazing. I really like the sponge, it's kind of like cool. And so, oh my god, I mean, I like it. I like it. I extremely really like this Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow in the color Star Gold. Beautiful. And this setting powder, I don't find anything wrong with it. I kind of like how it set my face, but I don't like this age. This is kind of like hard to use. I don't know. I don't understand it. And this Cloudy was sent to me by Cloudy. This is the moisturizer survey. It's really good. I had tried this before and I really like it. Thank you, Cloudy, for sending me this. I love it. It hydrates my skin beautifully. In general, the only thing that I think it didn't perform properly was the setting spray setting from Tasha. And I don't know. I cannot try anymore with another foundation, so I'm not sure. This is disappointing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please comment me down below and let me know if you have tried any of these products and what do you think about them. Also give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
In open water, let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things.